IGC News, Mima Olivia Akwaba. Hadia latest and hot news gwa enamidi Bremo. Eroti so we subscribe ya bomodi and say we be subscribe to the channel. The other say we click the subscribe button. Now we belly notification we answer new video be upload. Also once can be. I think we are now like video give us a thumbs up now. Share my offer for sooner when you be here na wo ya ekoso ewo Ghana memu hano afi yen hwe ye semo apeto ye punu so eye Agyapadie document na se Agyapadie buki ebunsem de tese bebre na we na Kweku Annan de nsem betuga yen nyina ni eye Airbus scandal ya nan ya John Dramani Mahama eye OSP Office of the Special Prosecutor at Claremont said there is no evidence said be the way bit me dina so akase Mahama Agyapong Mofanchen Agyapong no some OSP betuga na some nsem we nyina no tese MPP for no eye Agyapadie buki ya capture sanse we nyina o tese kwan a o kan ya fa ba bi no tese kwan fa so a wan be se eye NDC wan be bubu gozo eye Kweku Annan de sanse we nyina atuga Agyapadie no o capture ye Airbus scandal ho sense kwan de Mahama be fa so nyina won capture nyina e wo sa buki aye ensem bebiro yekotie aye Kweku Annan said ye wode aye sanse we nyina atuga fa ye Mahama Airbus scandal ho sense ni yenti.
We break the news to listeners and viewers that the persecution of this Airbus way was earlier captured in the agenda book. No? The agenda book called the Agyapadie Roadmap.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
And
Hot news all time.
A lot of Ghanaians don't know.
Juicy News on YouTube.
Airbus
Hot
scandal
news
way
all time.
was in the Agyapadie book. No, was is. Still was and is. And is to come. Now, over Agyapadie document, go and read Agyapadie book, no, page 33, paragraph 5. So, without time delaying, let's read at the point. A what's our document in him? Efa Airbus, no. Then also, Dennis Miracles. Dranabe catcher me say, dear what document in him, and also AOB. And not try the bay, we say, Uncle Pet, I see they are trying to say that the book was written by NDC for and Onyama someone. But I'm trying to make some common sense and, of course, trying to reason here that hey, it's NDC for no abesia kotro Airbus honsem e wo book ni mu say e kwan we so womonfa John Mahama ensem so sa na beba that is the wisest thinking of the NDC for no sir. Just as he was trying to ask some rhetorical questions be to that effect. Really? Any Agyapadie document in the efa Airbus scandal no. Page 33, paragraph 5. My executive producer Yamba joins me shortly. Yao, what do we have? As far as that portion of the document says what?
The 2020 elections will not be easy for us with current happenings. We need to set up. Why are we so quiet on the Airbus scandal?
Come again, go one step back.
So why are we so quiet on the Airbus scandal?
Great, go ahead.
Yes, we know we haven't found enough to indict Mahama, but a lot of Ghanaians were buying into our approach. Why have we stopped? It is time to go back to the drawing board. We must make sure we use the court system to help us damage the NDC beyond repair. Let us start prosecuting people. That is why we put our people there. Otherwise, we have a problem.
Great. So come back again and then take it from the top on the Airbus one more time. Or on the portion of it.
So why are we so quiet on the Airbus scandal? Yes, we know we haven't found enough to indict Mahama, but a lot of Ghanaians were buying into our approach.
Great. Hold it there. Folks, Mena Mekai, Anna Yamba and Eka, Anna saith the Agyapadie book. Dennis Miracles, you better reason up, eh? Look sharp. And also, much on that, eh? Despicable enough. One more try another, come and tell me and tell Ghanaians how many days, weeks, months. And one more try Airbus. Now let's do the arithmetics. Airbus ne bad, Airbus scandal ne hit here, Airbus no.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
And once and bada
News all time.
Number 2.
You are watching Juicy
rulings
News
be
on
apatita.
YouTube.
You see, the government of MPP thought said they would be smart. And the reason why all media houses and journalists were misled was because this was done a drop of say. Every journalist was limited with information. 2, baby and now be called information, so they were not ready to speak. 3, they were not ready to speak because they know say every nation. Look, there were so many nations and answer Aremeyaw scandal we see what some of the officials there were prosecuted. Some of them were arrested. And then you baby also so any you arrest them and you prosecute them due to the fact that everything was clear after investigations. Nothing, no adverse findings. Yes, yeah, the swear. Yeah, the swear. Bonnie assume the politics of setback, the politics of acrimony. They be make a mountain and so into 4 years. In the year 2020, that was where they were looking for more than what we have now. But what if we have something we don't have? Tonight, I am to tell you, sir, nothing any adverse that yet me are finding on this Airbus. Why? They are done with it. They are done with it. Now, what they are not doing, Ghana Fontiemi. We don't need Kisi Ejabeng as a special prosecutor to open our eyes about whether or not there is some adverse findings that can be made against whoever, Airbus official, 1 official, 2 to whatever, numerically. But there was state statutory bodies, waha. That's the British Crown Court. And says yes, we have investigations. They can get it done. There was serious fraud office, waha. There was Yoko, waha. There was CID for waha. And then we have the NIB, the National Bureau of Investigations. Me can operate both domestic and foreign. Nti BNN say NIB before could have done this for us all these years, 4 years way, spanning to this period way, for us to put to this case. I didn't know more years I way. Akronfo, ewudifo, rogues, criminals, thieves, bonia shamuma, de papa. And Jones said, according to Agyapadie book, at the home, they ain't getting anything to incriminate the person. At the same time, and ya the Omoma book, no, I said, Yama Asamna Kwaku Sane Adim. Asamnia Manem Kodrota. Yabekun one and now why your home kwasa. But why whilst they are doing it, it's in itself in a form of a propaganda machinery by way of say. Asam no ni etwa ho kakra na ende no mo dia wall ochina no mo etwa ho kakra na dia wall ochina chi inti sa asam no will refuse to die off. What it means is that an intention say womu yusu sa de no e break you down depending who this political adversary is
on YouTube.
And then they be
news all time.
It's always 24 hours down the line. There are some MPP of are happy with what Kisi Agyapong has done by way of Kisi putting a closure to this case. Because other than that, what else? Evidence being beyond na mosheshe. A day and a moshesha. Now yenye Kisi Agyapong ain't chain. Now all the state institutions, the BA, the Yoko, the CID, all the bodies, why wouldn't they investigate and why have they not investigated up to now? 4 years. Now the government of MPP, you are so busy. Every stages as we walk down the aisle comes with it, oh man, bad oh man. Folks, do omechi awo. After Agyapadie documents there, then it's miracle or whatever your name is, or be miracle be here. Listen, munya is handsome for Nikau. Kisi Agyapong, one of a man of his sort, I've had several problems with. Yeah. And those who know why I have said that they know. But for this one, I know say Kisi got it right. Mwamuni Kisi nyadrino, but Kisi got it right. And I think for me it's even much over time spent that we've not been able to put this Airbus issue to rest. And I'm going to tell you why. The Airbus issue has existed on our necks for 4 solid years now. Afriyie, former President John Mahama eye president o wa humjem woni akonwa so aban no ono ti akonwa so no ha wono no say me hwehwe e kwan we so ne ma bo kwadu na ma ye oden no aban ne ti akonwa so na former president Mahama no has been exonerated. What do you make of it? 4 solid years in here. When Timi Ayeshe wo ho. 4 solid years. The media in Ghana, all of us were misled. All of us. Journalists, you must bow. And you see shame. And you see, you can't blame the media also that much. Reason is this. Let me explain quickly. Just say, the source na media ne beko akweden akodi information at across the events in ocean no, in London, US no, they were not prepared to speak. 2, womodomu rulings be diaba, and that's it. They believe that Ghana is a sovereign nation. The rest, let's take it up with ourselves. So what else? 3, former President John Dramani Mahama spoke all his words and threw all saliva out, and yet nobody could listen to him and take his words serious. The air is business as usual. The politics of divisiveness, the politics of setbacks, the politics of roadblock, and the politics of dirty. Criminals, what? Ken Ofori Atta, the name is Kwaku Boro, Euro bonds, Mudiba, Namudimunsa bomb, Namudi, Adribia nim, Nyansa, Yadi gain a bit nim. Don't maybe a drew. Yediana say politics. About what aso yanko twaba yes ensem wo ho when we say Agyapadie asem we buy media for nim say Agyapadie documents ya beda ho God knows how many years now me say journalists back no okeka how many years are documenting about meanwhile on one can hobio e bra so documenting otete na basani asre and wo jade to ho. We are always failing the Ghanaian to tell the Ghanaian what they need to know. To force the institution to work. Institutions, you know, and once you jam them, ubi aye di ope. And one no, hey, de, just say, de yonkwa, de yo. The media, Agyapadie buki by how many years ni? But challenge all the media houses. How many of you and a munya time to discuss the Agyapadie documents comprehensively to give Ghanaians all about what they need to know? I'm here to say it, sir. We are proud. We gave the Ghanaian a comprehensive breakdown of this very expose. 1, 2, 3, up to 4 is the same. And of course, you promise your listeners, me, if you were say, you be sign iodine about documenting also. And check. Minka man to point ye baso. But enche craft ye be ba Agyapadie documenting with the very latest. Ye ne Okyehene Palace akasa e de ba asem no mo ka kire yen. Palace ni nim said they've spoken to us. Yeah. Palace no wo nim said they've spoken to the front line. And ya edin ye hwa de. E do say e bra Afriyie stakeholders nankasa of Agyapadie document kasa no ohona media na say aye o madwene say no let's give some premium to Agyapadie document. Meanwhile by no all the media houses, all of you, madam come out. When the Agyapadie document came, the media houses in Ghana were silenced. Meanwhile, let's see who answer said no, let's discuss this document. Now that Akufo Addo any nebusian for no respond, now media fraternity now say no, we are serious. Afriyie bekasa, Afriyie eba share document no. Meaning why yes sir. Kweku Annan now listen Kweku Annan even though has fixed on one by MPP because who can a person say to break the 8 we must first break the norm. This is what Kweku Annan told the whole country. But in this document, he's speaking to the NPP. Or say to break the 8, we must first break the norm. Norm benya. As some now walk under the 4th Republican Constitution, all the governments are abeko say no more run economy. We've run this economy in a manner that has not helped all the government, all of them. Me all of them. Yes. And you say moba, modiane se na matam economy no. Is it the whole of African economy nankasan? It's in the mouth of the whale, or if like the shark. Plus Ghana there, yejina yednina yeba na de akwasha IMF for nsem. Say IMF for mo run emaye. Na IMF for no air run amaye. But you see, check your presidencies or maba. All your presidents in your intellectual president. Yeah, we na presidents or me intellectuals. Me say the only president and I say head of state or buyer. Otumi chire bibi ma na ye me wanwa. Eye General Kweku Agyapong's era. Hwade Kweku Agyapong ye yo. He was a military officer. Hwade oye. At one point
on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ghana we were at the crossroads of say
hot news all time.
The importation of consumables like beef, sardine, any sugar was taking the toll on us. So there was much pressure on the economy. So what did Kweku Agyapong do? Kweku Agyapong decided, say, look, in all of this, let's subsidize the importation of these goods. 2, let's ration it. So 3, the pressure that was brought on Ghana from these Bretton Woods institutions and IMF made Ghana stand in the eye of the global economy against the backdrop of say Ghana was, as it were, call it say they brought trade credit on us. Trade credit, they block our trade credit to the extent that we were unable to make, move in and out of the global competitive capitalist economy to be able to do what we have to do. And to my dear, Kweku Agyapong here did us a lesson. You see, desperate actions required what? Sometimes we are mind, now we are head of state, and now we are president, now we dream quite it out. At the crisis, you are able to think deeper and know what solution you should put. But we say all the presidents we've had are not thinking, they are not thinking deep, and the crisis is not enough to confront what they need to do. To remember a luxury. Oh, IMF, let's just go and take money from the IMF. So long as they will take money from the IMF, 1, take some and chop. And then 3, give burden of this quantum of money on Ghanaians. Heap the burden on Ghanaians. Say, when in Ghana, you're dead. Now, guess what Kweku Agyapong did? So Kweku Agyapong he put subsidy on the importation of these consumer goods. Then they subsidize it. After the subsidizing, they made sure that all the retail companies in Ghana, sardine bottle Kwaku Annan, milk turn the back on a water. Yes, it on the 5 cities. Akwinsimbe Edua, another shop where there's no way I will bet on their 5 cities, no way at on 10 cities, and yet matter. And the Ghana is saying the indiscriminate market goods and services. We at on there saying 20 cities, we turn their 5 cities, we turn their 50 cities, indiscriminate goods and services. Ubia yet your pay. System to me control Ubiao. And there's an astronomical increase of all these products, and a creative burden on the economy, a creative burden on the foreign currencies. But Kweku Agyapong didn't also know. Yes, subsidizing we near the bar. Afriyie create a price level across every corner. Now we are Bema ton we different here. Who say they so they no see here. Afriyie no say wait a minute, offensive. Importation of Deben cotton, 30 million Ghana cedis. So Kweku Agyapong blocking in and say no, we'll cultivate the cotton here. And for us to give money to a foreign economy to boost the economy, or see a baby now, and anybody who knows could make a mean carton under Kweku Agyapong's era, Ghana, Now, what do I a quality unwarranted pressure way on us was the fact that Kweku Agyapong repudiated $94.4 million from Ghana's economy against the Ghana's debt portfolio, or see and that brought about Yentia policy of Kweku Agyapong. Or say Yentia. And I'm so $94.4 million was repudiated. Munko check records. Way was done by a military officer. How many governments under the Fourth Republic? rogues mu dia nsa mu boka gu okeke akronfo criminals rogues mu nim nyansa abodamfo mu dia nsa mu wie sika Ken Ofori Atta the onim so obekwa ko boro euro bonds mu de ba na mu de mu nsa bom na mu di adwebia nim nyansa ya de dwen ebi nim to mo be yedro ene consumables in kitengiti bebre ye betimi nyani na wo Ghana na so ye import and e ma ye pressure and into Kweku Annan say the economy of this fourth republic is being run like a Ponzi scheme. Ye ka Ponzi scheme what you say? I don't want to go into that me am a charge even am digital.
Yo wait for winning and some year Kweku Annan Agyarko say Airbus who send some na MPP for a capture na to say a year at mafia fu Agyapadie book ya hu ensem ko on be faso a on be say NDC kra ni na wo eno na Kweku Annan de hu ensem atuga because GC News so and we have no so we can subscribe to that bomodi an say we be subscribe to the channel since had the latest and hot news ko na me de bremo after like video no na share ma of so enye bi hwe na wo hu ensem a so also betimi a kire wabia fa yen ensem wo nyina ho e wo comment box interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.